Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna be teaching you how to play Gorilla Tag while listening to Spotify. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. I'm gonna be doing this through the desktop app and game, but you can also do this on mobile. The first step is to play the song on Spotify which you want to listen to while playing Gorilla Tag. After finding and playing the song, all you have to do is keep the Spotify app open on the background. Make sure the music is playing and don't close it. After that, open up Gorilla Tag as usual, and as long as you keep Spotify open on the background, you will be able to listen to the song. Make sure to check if the song is unpaused and playing in the background. Like I said, this can be done either on your computer or through your mobile apps. As long as you follow the steps, everything should work smoothly. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.